How to increase credit limit in Standard Bank credit card. Let's get started. You can navigate to the website of Standard Bank, or also you can use the mobile app. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section and find the option for a credit limit increase. Then fill out the application form with accurate information. Upload or submit any required documents such as proof of income. The bank will review your request, which may take a few days. They might contact you for additional information or documentation. If approved, your new credit limit will be updated in your account. Check your account to confirm the new limit. With an increased credit limit, enjoy greater purchasing power and flexibility. Also, you can call Standard Bank customer service or visit a branch, inform them that you wish to request a credit limit increase. Following these steps, you can easily increase credit limit in Standard Bank credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.